Growing your own plants from seed is a fantastic, low-cost way to add weird and wonderful tropical style plants to your home and garden, because you can grow plants that just aren't available in garden centres or online. And the pride that I'm filled with when I see plants blooming or towering over my head that I've grown from seed is just immense. And you too can add plants to your collection by growing them from seed easily if you join the Grow Paradise Seed Club. Now, this is a seed subscription box that my wife and I created, and it's been running for a year now. We've sent over 800 boxes containing 25,000 seeds. So that's potentially 25,000 tropical style plants growing in the UK as a result of the Grow Paradise Seed Club. Now, if you want to have a go at growing your own plants from seed and you feel that you might benefit from a bit of guidance, let me tell you a bit more about the Grow Paradise Seed subscription box. The Grow Paradise Seed Club is a subscription box that contains so much more than just weird and wonderful seeds from exotic locations around the world. Each box also comes with a link to an exclusive members only video that has a detailed sowing guide showing you how to get the best of possible germination results out of that month's seeds. So if something needs any special preparation, any specific conditions to help it grow, to help you get the maximum yield out of that seed box, we will cover that and give you slow, step-by-step, easy guidance and ongoing support. All of our members have exclusive access to a private group where we will reply to any questions you have if you're having issues, and other members can step up and support each other as well. Remember, we're all going to be growing the same seeds together each month. Now, along with that video and ongoing support, all of our members receive illustrations of the plants that they will be growing. Now, I do these illustrations myself and I'm really proud of them and how the Seed Club is coming together. Each illustration card has detailed sowing guides on the back. So if you prefer written guidance, there is step-by-step, very detailed, tailored instructions on the back of each species of seed. Now, each Seed Club box contains 3 packets of seed, and these will be a mix of hardy plants that thrive all year round in the UK, but provide that amazing tropical style. Some half-hardy plants that might benefit from a little bit of protection, and then some true tender tropical plants that will thrive all summer long and then die in winter, but we can then re-sow them again the next year because of their incredible growth rate. Now, the feeling of pride that I get when I'm walking through my garden and there are banana plants towering above me that I know that I grew from a tiny little seed is incredible, and that's a feeling that I'd love for everybody else to experience, which is why we created the Grow Paradise Seed Club. My wife and I just want everybody to be able to grow their own plants from seed. It's low cost, it's easier than you might think with our guidance, and you're going to grow plants that your neighbours don't have and you're not going to be able to see in garden centres. Now, if you want to sign up, there'll be a link in the description of this video, and you'll receive your first box within 7 days. It renews on the 1st of every month, and don't worry, you're completely in charge. If you ever get to a point that you feel like, that's it, I have grown so many tropical style plants, I don't have any more space, it's not a problem. Just log on to your account and cancel your subscription at any time, no questions asked. We just want to create an opportunity for you to have the experience of growing your own plants from seed. Now, for me, I find growing plants from seed like free therapy. It is so soothing. You find your state of flow, and then you also get that reward when you see the fruits of your labour. And sometimes it is literally fruits. We have grown exotic tropical fruiting plants before. Now, if you want to experience that feeling, and if you want to enjoy that process, then give it a go. Sign up to the Grow Paradise Seed Club, and we look forward to welcoming you as a member and sharing some of this exclusive content and these detailed guides and some of my beautiful illustration cards with you. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting Grow Paradise in general, and I will see you all in the next video.